Wire EDM. Marshall Manufacturing utilizes wire EDM for many secondary operations. In this production application, the machine operator is loading a holding fixture that accommodates 15 parts. Once the fixture is loaded, it is seated electromagnetically into the wire EDM submersion tank. The wire, shown here, cuts the parts using an electrical current. Prior to cutting, the tank is filled with deionized water. Deionized water does not conduct electricity because it contains no minerals. The water acts as a cooling agent and also flushes the thousands of minute particles being generated from the cutting process away from the cutting path. To keep the deionized water clean, it is continuously being cycled through a filtering system. During the cutting process, the wire doesn't actually touch the part. The wire throws off an electrical current which burns away any conductive material within a 1/1000th radius of the wire's programmed path. While the wire burns away material in its path, it also burns away material on the wire, which is why the wire is continuously being fed through the machine during the cutting process. As the wire passes through the EDM machine, it is collected in a bin behind the machine. The wire EDM process does not put any pressure on the parts being cut, making it highly effective for extremely delicate parts. While the parts are being machined in the wire EDM tank, the operator unloads the parts from a second fixture that has been processed earlier and reloads it with new parts for the next cycle. During the cutting cycle, the operator measures parts to assure quality standards are maintained. When the cutting is complete and the EDM tank empties, the first fixture, along with the parts, are taken out of the tank and the second fixture is placed in the tank and the process is repeated. Wire EDM is capable of generating internal cuts, slots, and intricate geometric shapes and configurations. If you have any new or existing projects that require wire EDM, please contact Marshall Manufacturing to discuss your project.